bucks plus the part. It would have been 100 and
50
something.
plus
50 something. No, 50
they'll
for the
charge
just to
for
look
the
at
labor
it.
and
Just
to look at it is 50 plus.
And then the part.
And plus the part is $30, so they'll probably charge us
Altogether,
for
100. They'd have charged us
maybe 100, yeah, total for everything.
Oh, it works.
And so, yeah, update of our washing machine, guys. It's finally working. Yeah, right now we tried the rinse and the spin, because when we tried the rinse and spin last time, it didn't work at all. It didn't even, it's just blinking, you know, the light is just blinking. But now it's working. So it click. It's kicking now. Now it's gonna have to spin. We'll see.
Okay.
We'll see. Oh, good. It's working now. Before it didn't do that. It's working good. Now we know the problem is the shift actuator. So we just replaced the shift actuator. As you can see in the first video how we took it apart. And we ordered that part in Amazon and we just replaced it. It's the shift actuator. Yeah. So you have to know the part number and then you have to order it in Amazon, guys. So that's it. Easy fix actually. You just have to, that's always the problem, when your washing machine stop spinning, then you know the problem is probably the shift actuator. Now, because that's only our first attempt to fix the problem. We first change the shift actuator, and it is the causing of the problem. It is the reason why our washing machine didn't spin anymore. And yeah, so you can see it's working, right? So if we hired a technician, or if we hire somebody that knows how to fix the washing machine, it would probably cost us more, whereas we fix it ourselves. We only spent the part of which is the shift actuator. We just spent about $30 for that part. So we saved there for paying the labor, guys. And yeah, easy fix. Our washing machine now is working. It's finally working. Okay, thank you for watching. Sa tuwing
I know.
didn't do that before.
I know, I didn't do that before.
Yeah,
That I know. It would just stop.
yeah. It works. You did it. Yay! You did it.
You did it by looking at the
You
video.
did it.
No, you did it. Hard. I would have never found it hard.
Assalamualaikum.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Kami Sir Hana,
I know it works.
More singer na kumanta ng awiting ito at